Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from a ZenPop subscription box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. I haven't done the post edit yet, and I still have to dig up the paper for which one this is, but I'm getting the vibe that this is a Maruchan black pepper yakisoba. Okay, nothing really much else saying anything otherwise. It says Karakuro, so maybe that's the brand of black pepper. Maybe it's a restaurant chain. I don't know. But the water is boiled, and we put the noodles in the water. That's what we do. And this one takes, check out the noodles, they're interesting. This one takes 4 minutes. I'll start the timer as soon as they've simmered down into the pot. Come on, simmer down now. These noodles are really thick. I don't know if it's supposed to be yaki udon, maybe even. There we go. A lid and 4 minutes. So what is new with you? Is that too much? That might be too much. That's a little better. Not much here. Just chilling out. It's Wednesday. It's dark outside again. I'm really not stoked on that. It's supposed to be rainy tomorrow, and tomorrow's Thursday, which is one of the second days of the week we get to go, or the third day of the week we get to go walking. So I'll probably just get wet. Screw it. And talked to my brother today. That was nice. He ran in the Boston Marathon once, so now with me doing all the walking and then putting running into it, which is still, I'm just like ignoring the weirdness of that. Most of my life, running or exercise were pretty much things that I tried my absolute damn best to avoid. So now it's like I have to like get into this mindset of like, shut up brain. I know you're used to like not being into this kind of stuff, and you don't have to pretend to be into it right now. Just do it. Just do it. It's the right thing to do. So but yeah. Get fit. Gotta be fit. But yeah, I've kind of stalled out on weight loss, which is really unhappifying. I need to keep moving. And yeah, because I've got, if right now I lost 30 pounds, yeah, I would be literally half the man I used to be. I'd be 182.5. And I started out at 365. So that'd be pretty neat. I don't know what I'll look like at that point. I mean, the only place for stuff to come off of now mainly is my gut. And I noticed this morning when I was, because I've been like adding running into all my walks and stuff with Mimi, I've noticed that like my legs feel like beefier and angrier, just like, yeah, beefcake, that kind of craziness, extreme. So I know more muscle. The muscle is, what did he say? Muscle is heavier than fat. But then again, muscle ups your metabolism. I don't know, but it's kind of weird. I really want to get down to that amount, even further, to be honest. But do what I do, do what I do, do what I do. That's what I do. Doobie doo, Scooby doo, doo-wah diddy do, but not Scrappy Doo. Never Scrappy Doo. But 20 seconds, okay. But yeah, and then I switched out of having soup and rice or brown rice or barley. I scrapped it. I'm going with salad now. Hopefully until the next time everybody starts getting E. coli, right? But yeah, I'm going to see how that goes, because that drops like 500 calories at night. So we shall see if that makes a difference too. Yeah. I know. It probably all sounds so freaking vain. I apologize for that. Very mindful of that concept, to be honest. But I'm doing it to push myself, which is fun, you know? If I get down to that weight, I'm not going to be like, hey, look at me. Yeah. Whoa. I don't know, it's something hard. I'm just amazed that any of it has happened at all. So I just keep doing. Yo. Alright. Let's get it on. We've got some powder. That smells like black pepper. God, I hope that's not all black pepper. Wow. It smells good. It does smell peppery. Then we've got a liquid sachet. Stir that up. This is nice and liquidy. That smells like soy sauce. And then we've got this. Looks like another of the dry component. Is this just supposed to go on top? No. Yeah, it looks just like some green onion and other stuffs. That'll hydrate quick enough. Okay. Got some pretty noodle. I like that. It gets that nice sheen to it. Alright, verdict is... That's good. It's like a black pepper shoyu. That's very good. Mung bean sprouts. There's some barbecue pork. And then there's spring. I'm just gonna throw all this in. See if we can get that all nicely mixed up. Beep, 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 beep. Maybe this weekend I'll get some new music. That might be a good thing to do. There's a lot of decent... There's... Most of this comes... Oh, all of it actually comes from epidemic.com or epidemicsound.com. It's one or the other. It's basically like a subscription thing, and you get to use their library. But I'm a partner of this BBD broadband TV on YouTube, so I get it included, which is really nice. Yeah, maybe Kit wants this. She might scarf this. It's quite good. It's not just like there's a lot of goodness going on in this. I like it. Whoa! No! No! I heard it go on the floor. Man, I've been having some... Oh. I had the soy sauce episode. Was that? When was that? Was that 2 days ago? Was that yesterday? God. It was a little too recent. But anyways, get up in on it. Man, I could just lay waste to this in like 5 minutes. Not even that. More like 2 minutes. Come on. It's tasty. I really like this one. I'm impressed. Yeah, like I said, this came out of a Zen Pop box. So, let's rotato and enjoy. Alright, well, Wednesday's in the bag. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Still haven't heard about anybody who might have a pair of headphones for me. If you do, that'd be really cool of you. Alright, bye.